We are Nebia. Since we started, we've been on a mission to create the best showers in the world. Over the past several years, you've backed our award-winning shower systems on Kickstarter and helped us scale our technology. We've listened to your feedback, and now we've designed a shower head that provides 4 awesome experiences and brings water savings to everyone. Introducing our most versatile and most accessible shower ever, Nebia by Moen Quattro. Nebia by Moen Quattro packs 4 innovative sprays into one sleek shower, designed to help you feel clean, relaxed, or ready for the day. Hard spray, precision nozzles ideal for rinsing thick and curly hair and for the feeling of a high-pressure massage. Angel hair, 150 streams of water for a calming and soothing sensation that provides surprisingly high pressure, and our warmest spray ever. Soft spray, our signature spa-like feeling for a drenching, misty experience. And finally, Super Saver, for when you want to save the most while staying plenty warm. This soothing mode is great for kids, pets, and sensitive skin. All 4 of these modes save between 40 to 50% of the water used by standard showers.
Quattro comes in 2 versions. The hand shower has a magnetic connection, and the rain shower is fixed.
Hands down, Angel hair, because it takes out all the shampoo out of my curly hair.
That is the first shower head I've loved, right?
It's the soft water. It turns your shower into a steam room and it feels so good. It gets super hot and it just feels amazing.
It's the most incredible spa-like feeling you're gonna get in a shower.
It has this angel hair mode with a gentle stream that helps wind them down and calm them for the night.
All done.
We've been building showers for almost a decade. With Quattro, we've applied everything we've learned to create 4 completely new sprays that let you choose the optimal shower experience. Custom designed hard spray nozzles provide a high pressure wake me up shower. 150 silky streams work together to provide the gotta get clean shower. And 10 cone nozzles converge, producing 1 million droplets per second to envelop you in a relaxing shower. We tested hundreds of prototypes in dozens of modes with one goal: give people a better shower using less water. Many regions, including here in California, are experiencing devastating droughts at unprecedented levels. The average family of 4 will save over $300 per year on water and heating costs. Quattro pays for itself in just 4 months.
Taking our mission further, Quattro is the first shower ever to have recycled ocean plastic components, produced from fishing nets that often end up as trash in the ocean. This is just the beginning for us. Our goal is to make all of our products from sustainable materials.
We're excited to introduce 2 new accessories. Our stylish quick dry earth mat, crafted from naturally sourced diatomaceous earth. The ceramic-like material feels great under your feet, magically absorbs water, is mold resistant, and doesn't need to go in the wash. We've also completely redesigned the shower arm for an easy up and down. The Nebia adjustable shower arm is the perfect add-on for a warm and powerful shower, adjusted to accommodate everyone in your house. It simply holds its position.
Kickstarter, we're here thanks to your support over the years. We're so excited to bring Nebia by Moen Quattro to you. But before we do, we need your help again. Our design and tooling is ready, and your pledge will help launch Quattro into production. The world needs innovative water-saving solutions now more than ever. Please consider backing this project. Thank you.